We will make delicious treats today, with sour cherries, brandy and coconut. You will need raisins, sour cherries, desiccated coconut, cocoa, brandy, and cookie crumbs. Chop 50 grams of raisins into small pieces. Transfer the chopped raisins into a bowl. Chop 50 grams of defrosted sour cherries. You could use sour cherry jam instead, if you don't mind that the brandy balls will be sweeter. Add the sour cherries to the bowl. Add 50 grams of desiccated coconut. Add 2 teaspoons of cocoa. Mix with a fork, combining all ingredients. Add 2 tablespoons of brandy. Add cookie crumbs. You could use chocolate, coconut, or plain cookies. We have added 3 cookies, which was approximately 30 grams of cookie crumbs. Mash all the ingredients with a fork, letting the cookie crumbs absorb all the brandy. If the mixture does not look right, you could add either brandy or another cookie. Form small balls, using your hands. Roll each of the balls in shredded coconut.